What's up, guys? Yeah, it's totally dark right now because I'm inside a huge plant. It used to be a refrigeration plant, but here with my buddy Chuy again today, and we're gonna be checking this place out. It's raining right now, which is why I'm not gonna get very many shots outside, but yeah, this should be interesting.
Alright, flooring. And let's go this way. What we do is get this guy out here. I've never been up these steps.
So this place has a lot of really cool old features still in it. There's still some old pipes here. This is huge. There's gonna be a lot to check out.
I'm not gonna go up there because, like I said, it's raining and I don't want to get wet.
All right. Shout out to this guy's Ghost 6 Dream, whoever that is. We got some really rusted up electrical boxes here. I know I'm being kind of quiet in this video, but yeah, there's a lot to explore here, so I'm really focusing on that right now. And I don't really know too much on the history of this place, but yeah, just stick around for the adventure. Chuy went across the way over there, and yeah, it was a little too risky for me. I felt like I looked straight down and my fear of heights got the best of me, but he's over there exploring, and yeah, I'm gonna stay back and check it out from back here. I think these were a part of a conveyor system. Another part of the same conveyor system going into the belt area right here. It's offices.
Yeah, check it out. So, flooded in here.
Filing cabinets are still here. Desks. I might get this. This is pretty good. This is the collapsed roof right here. This used to be a whole roof. And over time it just collapsed. Now all the rain just falls straight to the first floor and continues to cause damage. Is that a restroom?
Yeah.
Oh, you're not gonna drop a deuce. Keep doors closed. Toilets. I don't know what it is, but abandoned toilets might be a part of my repertoire now, because every place I go to there's an abandoned toilet. Here's another restroom. Probably a women's restroom or something. Let's see if there's a urinal. No. Oh shit. What's up, bro? Alright, up to the 3rd floor we go. Alright guys, well, we explored this place and it's getting dark. We're gonna go ahead and split out of here. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and stick around for more content. Also,
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel too.
Also, if this video gets to 100 likes as well, like the Lone Star video, then I'm coming back for a part 2, because there's a lot more of this place to explore as well. It's huge. So yeah, stick around.